nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divos? Welcome back to my channel. You already know who it is. It's your girl A, and we definitely here to slay at Amazon Week today. What's up, everybody? I hope you all are having like a great week, great day, whatever, evening, morning, afternoon, whenever you're watching this video, and staying safe, positive, motivated, and out the way. But the most important thing, minding your business, because that definitely helps in life sometimes. So what's up, y'all? Like, seriously, what's up? I'm here. We about to do this affordable Amazon lace front wig. We're gonna look cute all summer long. We're about to do this pink box. UNICE, they are budget friendly. Girl, you'll be looking real cute on a budget. So this one right here is a 7x5, 5x9, pre-everything Yaki bob. And also does come with these two items, which is a wig cap and a melting band. Because girl, you know you need one. Who don't need a good clean melting band? And they also provide tape. Now, this one is a Yaki texture, and she is in the length of 14 inches, and she is the natural color. She already comes pre-everything, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-styled, pre-approved, okay? All that pre-stuff, she comes that. Like if you want a pre-game, girl, she's pre-gameable too. Now this is what she's looking like. She does come with the middle part, and she is a 7x5. Y'all see those bleach knots? 7x5 is still enough parting space. She also does come with the adjustable band, which you will just use as an adjustable band. She also has a comb in the nape, and she also has the rubber gripping around and also right here. This right here, girl, is gonna stop your wig from slipping back. You ever have that wig slippage moment, okay? When you thought you was doing a damn thing, you thought you was extra cute, and then you realized your wig was sitting back. Your wig was ready to just leave your head and enter another whole room. The wig was ready to leave the dimension she was in and enter a new one. Because girl, I don't know about y'all, but I've definitely had one of those moments. And from stopping you from having an embarrassed moment, UNICE has provided this as well. You worried about security and you want to make sure your wig don't go nowhere? But damn, we have the drawstring in the nape. So that way your wig is not going anywhere. She's not flying off. If somebody's trying to pull her off, she's there. You're going to go right along with the wig. So on that note, let's just get into this. I've been talking to
myself inside all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation, wonder if we maybe were mistaken. Don't wanna talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna feel what is left. I've been thinking about us and the things you say, how you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me fight the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me fight the pavement. A little conversation.
All right, y'all, so I'm done with this unit. She came out real cute. This hair bounces, this hair moves. It's not stiff. This looks so natural. They definitely did their thing with this. I love the fact that the lace just be melting. This is a really affordable unit, girl. If you're ready for bob season, which is every season, you definitely want to get this one from UNICE. And what I tell y'all about Amazon, Amazon Prime, get your wig on time, girl, okay? Listen, I love a good wig, y'all. I love a good wig. Like, who really want a bad wig? And if their name is UNICE, girl, trust the process. They definitely gonna come through and make sure that you have a great experience. It fits great. There's definitely enough parting space. You got enough parting space to make that wig look all natural. Okay? You know, Amazon got the best of the best of the best, and UNICE definitely has the best of the best of the best for less. Okay? You already know your girl got to go. I'm gonna get into a new video. But on that note, let me know what you think. If you stay to the very end, make sure you leave a pink heart. I love y'all. Stay diva and divolicious. Stay beautiful. Stay blessed. Stay out the way, motivated, and mind your business. Okay? It's always great when you mind your business. But make sure you mind mine, because that's how I need y'all to be in the comments. So I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next one.